Hello friends, I am Prashant. You are watching Educational Stuff. This is the fourth article discussion of Hindu editorial page. Today is 5th June 2020. If you want to see the rest of the articles, you can see it from the description or I icon displayed on the screen right now. This article is regarding the defense system and the norms and defense military and research and development, how the things are going on, how they can reform. And the author compares these three sectors as a cheese. The holes in the three cheese slices comparing the defense setup must align for nations to be prepared militarily. The Swiss cheese model is associated with the accident investigation in an organization or a system. The system consists of multiple domains or layers, each having some shortcomings. These layers are visualized in the model as a slice of Swiss cheese, with the holes in them being imperfections. Normally, weaknesses get nullified over then when at some point the holes in every slice align to let a hazard pass through and cause an accident. Three slices in defense system. When applied to the nation's defense preparedness, the Swiss cheese model in its simplest form works the reverse way. The slice represents the major constituents in the nation's war-making potential, while the holes are pathways through which the domains interact. At the macro level, there are only three slices with the holes in each. And these must align to ensure the nation's defense posture in tune with its political objective. Any mismatch may turn out to be a detrimental to the nation's Atmasamman, that is self-respect, when the balloon goes up. In these days, the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, a clinical analysis is necessary to obviate any missteps that may prove costly in a few years or decades down the line. In the Indian defense setup, the three slices are: one, policy-making apparatus comprising Department of Military Affairs (DMA) and Ministry of Defense (MOD), and two, the Defense Research and Development Establishment and Domestic Manufacturing Industry, and three, the three services. When the Ministry of Defense alone existed, a certain relationship between the three layers saw India prosecute four major wars since independence. The holes in the three slices were aligned to different degrees, and hence the results were varied in each conflict. That system required an overhaul would be an understatement. With technology progressing exponentially, a single service prosecution of war was no longer tenable. Because the advent of smart munitions, computer processing network capabilities, and the skyrocketing cost of equipment brought the concept of parallel warfare. Synergized application of tools of national power became imperative. Thus, it became essential for militaries to be joint policy violence in an economical way, economical in terms of time, casualties, cost incurred, and political gains achieved. The setting up of DMA and the creation of post of defense Chief of Defense Staff, that is CDS, to achieve synergy are the most fundamental changes. As further modifications and tweaking take place in the way of several prepare to go for war, it is imperative that the transformation be taught through the clinical analysis without any external emotional, political, or rhetorical pressure. Access to the right equipment. India's security managers have a factor in the increasingly belligerent posture of the countries through adversaries. Terrorist activities have not reduced in Jammu and Kashmir. Ongoing incidents along the northern border with China do not foretell a peaceful future, and China-Pakistan nexus can only be expected to get stronger and portentous. Such a security environment demands the capability creation of the three services proceed unhindered. To elaborate, the Indian Air Force at minimum requires 300 fighters to bolster its squadron strength. The Army needs guns of all types, and Navy wants ships, helicopters, etc. The requirements are worth billions of dollars, but the COVID-19 induces cuts in defense spending and the diversion to the social sector, getting all of them in a joint mirage. Entering the well-meaning government diktat of buying indigenous only, but for that, in-house R&D and manufacturing entities have to play ball. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited can at the best produce just 8 Tejas fighters per year presently. The Army had to import rifles due to the failure of defense and research development organizations to produce them, and the Navy has earnest hopes that the hull design that its internal R&D makes get vital inerts for going to the war. So the Swiss cheese slice representing the indigenous R&D and manufacturing supply that ensures quality warfare equipment at the right time and in required quantities is still some years away. Wars cannot be fought and won on well-meaning policy intentions, and nationalistic rhetoric wants are won when war fighters have access to right equipment to prosecute them. They should be creating theater commands. The forthcoming reforms of creating theater commands is the most talked about the results of jointness expected from the Swiss cheese slice, in which lies the DMA and restructured MOD. Doing so would shake up a huge portions, and it strikes at a very foundation of the warfare structure of the services. The 3-year deadline spoken about by the CDS must take into account a not so comfortable state of assets of each service, which would need to be carved up for each theater. The Chinese announced their traditions concept in 2015. It is still in work in progress. The US had a bruising debate for decades after the Goldwater-Nichols Act came into force in 1986. Turf wars are not a patent of any one nation. New relationships take time out to smooth out. And in the arena of defense policy making, which is where the DMA and MOD lie, the element of this time has a value its own time. Any ramming through just to meet the publicly declared timeline could result in creating not so optimal war-fighting organization to our deterrent. So the 3 services that constitute the third Swiss cheese slice have contend with the other 2 slices being in the state of flux for some time to come. It's not brainer that this disruption requires a level-headed, non-parochial handling. The political, civil and military leadership must have their feet firmly on the ground to ensure that the holes in their Swiss cheese continue to stay aligned. Impractical timelines and pressures of public pronouncements must not be the drivers in such fundamental overhaul for our defense apparatus. This is regarding the Swiss cheese and defense norms. The holes in the 3 cheese slice comprising the defense setup must align for a nation to be prepared militarily. This is regarding the Article 4 discussion. It particularly discusses upon how to reform the development of military and defense sectors. If you want to see the rest of the article discussion, so you can just see it from the description link or from the eye icon. Before I conclude, I thank you for your time in having with me in this educational stuff, and please do subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.